Alright guys, all I'm gonna say is that today we're gonna do something very special. Wait, let me take it out to show you guys.
A few moments later.
I just got this, man. It costed like a thousand together with the lens. About like 1,099. No, 1,050 Singapore dollars. But damn, I finally got this. Okay, so main reason I got this is because it has autofocus, and it's a DSLR, and I can probably use it for both photography and videography. But this current camera that you are looking at right now, looking through right now, this guy has no autofocus. You check this out, check this out. If I put the box here, you can't see there is auto-focusing. You see what I mean? And that's because this guy here is an 1100D. I don't know whether you guys can see this or not. Yeah, it's an 1100D. And this guy has been with me for about 5 or 6 years. And I got this guy for free. Oh shit, eyelashes in the eye, eyelashes in the eye, dust in the eye, dust in the eye. But I got this guy for like 5 or 6 years now. So now we're gonna open this son of a bitch. There's all the manual and whatever. Oh, Rebel T7i. What the heck does this mean? Screw it here first. The styrofoam and the pudgy. I don't know what you call this, but I love. Don't you just love like breaking these apart and then like you feel the air coming out? It's like so satisfying, man. Like, I need more.
A few moments later.
This is the prize possession. Look at this. Too bad this camera doesn't have autofocus, but this one has autofocus. It's an 800 here. And damn, and when you open up, you can see the screen. It has a screen. That is a screen. This is Wakanda technology. So I can be like, I can go like that there, and then I go like, I think I can turn it around. Boom! Boom! Looking at the features here, oh man, there are a lot of features, man. But I'm familiar with them because of that camera here, which is the 1100. But I gotta test it out and play around with this camera before I can give you guys an in-depth review. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys this. This camera that you're looking through right now, it doesn't have a mic, an audio cable, no, an audio hole for a mic. So I can't install a mic inside. Even if it's a Rode mic, I can't put it on top. But the 800D, that one has a microphone jack inside, and that's good. That's great. Dude, what's this? Oh, this is the lens, man. You can tell this is the lens. Oh, this is the lens, baby. The lens. Check this out on the bitch up. It's a 18 to 55, just like the one that I'm using here. Same lens as this. It's the same damn thing. So we got a battery, we got a, I don't know what the hell is this. We got a lens. What else we have? Ooh. Ah, I see. This is the charger, and it goes with this damn thing together, one group. And you got the strap here, the camera strap, and this is it. There's nothing else inside this friggin' box. By the way, guys, if you are opening a box next time and you're buying you bought something new and you open the box and you got this, these bubble pop thingies, be sure to keep them because they can be pretty useful in certain situations. I'm not gonna say what, but you can use them, and they're not cheap, man. And apparently they're kind enough to give us this thing. Kind enough to give us a bag. I actually already have one here. This comes with this thing here, but it's getting pretty old, and all like the straps and like the, you know, the velcro is like peeling off, and there's like strings all over. So it's good to have a new one, although it did cost quite a bit. Kudos to my dad, he knows that I like this kind of stuff, so he decided to buy it for me. I think as a birthday present in advance, but from the bottom of my heart, I love you, man. And by the way, my dad's he's a very frugal person. He doesn't like to spend money on anything that he doesn't think that is good or is worth it. So the fact that I managed to convince him to get this, you have no idea, man. You have no idea how much I convinced him. Still, you gotta thank him for it. You gotta thank the man. That camera bag that I have, that I showed you guys just now, has one strap. This guy here has two. Check this out. And oh, it hasn't opened yet. You need to open the zip. Okay, you guys will be the first ones to look inside this damn thing. I'll be the second one. Okay, check this out. Oh, that's alright. Then you can put your lens here, you can put your camera here, and then there's like a front zip. Okay, so I'll be putting these two together now. Oh shit, they just knocked onto it. Oh man, I produced a small little scratch there. Oh shit, that's a scene, man. Crap. Okay, when you hear that click sound, you know it's in. The feel is just so good, man. And trust me, this area here, there's like this like rough part where you can hold it properly. It's amazing. Anyway guys, this will be it from me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. By the way, if you want more reviews, I actually got a tripod in addition with this. So I might do a video about this and how it works. Anyway, without further ado, oh wait, I got something to share with you guys too. So what we have here is one extra battery pack and a 32GB micro SD. Boom. And we got this speaker called Google Home Mini. This one, I'll be reviewing it soon. If you guys want it, just let me know in the comments below. How soon you want it depends on how much you guys want it. So yeah, stay tuned. This review is coming up. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. I'm probably gonna film it with this, and I'm gonna test it out outside too in a vlog. But thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is Lord of Thought signing off with the 800D. Okay, goodbye and see you. Oh wait guys, I got something to tell you guys. So okay, so with the 800D, and because it can autofocus, I'm gonna use that to actually do skits as well. So skits will be coming back to this channel. I haven't done them in a while. I basically can do some impressions of various accents, but with the camera itself, skits are coming back. Look forward to them, and if you got any suggestions or something, just comment down below. Yeah, by the way, you guys want to check out a skit that I made last time? It's over here. It's called the Stolen Ice Cream. Ice, baby. Okay, that's it. Oh man, seriously, now I gotta clear all this stuff. Why the hell am I gonna put the box like this, man? Oh man, this is the SD card, this is the stuff. Oh, this is bad. Unboxing is a drag, man, it's a drag.